everyone, thanks for stopping by. So today I will do a review of another Plum product. As you know that I got some of the Plum products last month during the sale time. Actually, sale is the best time when you can grab onto your favorite products. This is the Plum Grapeseed and Sea Buckthorn Glow Restores Face Oil Blend. You can see this is the product. So it is basically a facial oil. Facial oils are in trend in present days. A lot of people are using facial oils as it reduces the texture of our skin, as well as it helps to get a lot of benefits. This is also a very good facial oil which Plum has launched. As you know that Plum is basically a complete vegan, cruelty free and paraben free brand. So this is also just embossed with a lot of nutrients from a lot of natural sources. So at first this is the oil which retails for around 775 rupees. It retails for 775 rupees for 30 ml of products. So this product is more on the affordable side if you can compare it with other facial oils. So next, coming back to the packaging, we can say is that it comes in a cardboard box like this, which you can see. And when you just open the box, you have a leaflet which has all the names of the oils, as well as how the oil works and what are the benefits of all those oils are written in this leaflet. And when you just open the box is really pretty, guys. As you can see, it has got those polka dots inside. And when you just open this box, you have the actual product. So this is the product. So it comes in a frosted glass frosted glass container, or you can say a frosted glass bottle with a dropper over here. And when you just release the dropper, you have the product. So this is the oil which is very nicely packed. As I can see that it's a very nice packaging, and you can easily put it in your handbag or any other bags and easily carry it from one place to another. So in that case, this is a very good travel friendly packaging. So what does it contain? So coming back to the oils, we can say that this is a concoction of 10 essential natural oils. These are the rosehip oil, the pomegranate seed extract, the olive oil, the sunflower oil, as well as a lot of oils which is written over here. I am just reading it from here. This has got the sweet almond oil, argan oil, grapeseed oil, apricot seed oil, olive oil, and a lot more things. And all those oils just work together to provide us a very good food as well as nutrition for our skin. So you can see how is the consistency of this product. The consistency of this product is, it's like the normal oil. If you just drop it in your hand, I can tell you that it's a normal oil, as you can see, and it blends really well into your skin, guys. It is not very heavy as those other oils which are available in the market. It is mainly the concoction of all these 10 oils that blends together to form this kind of thing. And so now coming to the fragrance of the product, this is a product, and when you just smell it, it has got a very nice soothing scent which calms you down. Actually, you can smell the scent of the grapeseed oil as well as the rosehip oil, everything. It is a concoction of all those oils, so you can smell each and every scent from this. But in all, it's not too extravagant scent. It is a soothing scent which actually calms you down. Now, what does the company claims? So Plum claims that this is hand-picked mix of 100% natural oils, absorbs almost instantly without the greasiness or tackiness, and wouldn't accept it as an oil. So you will not feel that this is a complete thick textured oil. It is a very light oil which will provide you hydration as well as provide it with lots of benefits, but it won't give you that uncomfortable greasy feeling, and gets to work restoring your natural glows by replenishing lost nutrients. So this oil will provide you all the lost nutrients that your skin needs. So mainly it has got essential fatty acids called essential for a reason, needed for healthy functioning of the skin. It has got vitamin C which limits UV damage. It has got vitamin E which is a very good antioxidant and a hydrator. It has got carotenoids which helps in cell growth as regeneration, and it has got a lot more things. So how it worked on me, I have been using this oil for 1.5 months till now. I had hardly finished it, but it is working pretty well on my skin. Actually, it is providing me a good hydration, as well as all of my acne marks has reduced to a certain amount. Actually, I will not say that it has worked wonders instantly, but with regular usage you can see the instant result. So this is what it does for my skin. If you just use it, I would not suggest it to use by all oily skin ladies, but if you have combination to dry and very dry skin, you can use it. You can also use it by mixing with your foundation. You can use it as a primer. You can use it with any other moisturizers, always, as well as any other oils that is needed for our regular skincare routine. So I really like this product, guys. This is a very nice product to go for. Will I repurchase it? Yes, definitely I will repurchase it as because I have included this in my regular skincare routine. That's it for you guys. This is all I want to tell you about this Glow Restore oil. If you want to know anything about this oil, or if you want to get a review of any other product, then please leave me a comment below. I will love to do this for you. Please subscribe to my channel, guys, if you haven't already. Please help support me. We'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.